Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to create a PDF file in Spring Boot application using iText library. Let's get started. Let's open your Eclipse IDE. Here, create your project. To create a project, go to the file and click on New. Here, go to the Other. Here, search for the Spring. Select this Spring Starter project. Click on Next. Here, give the project name. I gave the project name as PDF file creation and the group ID as com.example. Artifact ID also PDF file creation. Version is 0.01 and description if you want to give, then give, otherwise leave as it is. And the package also com.example.demo, and then click on Next. Here I am not selecting any dependencies. Click on Finish. Now our project is getting ready. Look at here, we got the project. Once we got the project, expand the project. Go to the pom.xml file. Inside this file, I need to add the dependencies needed to generate the PDF file. Look at here, I have copy pasted my dependencies required to generate the PDF file. I will copy and paste that in pom.xml file. You can get these dependencies in the description. Once copy the dependencies, you need to save the file and then go to the source/main/java folder. Here we have one package com.example.demo. Inside this package, we have one class. This class contains the main method. Now I will create more packages. I will give the package name as com.example.service. And inside this package, I will create one class. I will name this class as a PDF file service class. Once after creating the, click on Finish. Inside this class, I will write the code to create the PDF file. Inside this class, I will write one method. Inside this method, I will write one variable. For this variable, I won't inject the value now itself. Afterwards, I will inject the value. After that, I will create the object of the PDF writer. For this object, I need to pass file path as a parameter. It will throw the exception. That's why we need to surround this with the try catch. After creating the writer object, I need to create the PDF document object. For this PDF document, I am going to give the writer as a parameter. Then, using this PDF document reference, I need to add the new page for our PDF. After that, I need to create the document object. Inside this document, I need to send this PDF doc as a parameter. After that, I need to close the document. Look at here. First I created one variable to hold the path, but still I didn't inject the values for this. Now I will inject this value. Look at here. Inside my desktop, I created one folder to hold the PDF files. Inside this, I don't have any files still. I will copy this path and go to your Eclipse. For this file path variable, I will paste that path and I will add file name as simple.pdf and then save the project. Inside this application.properties file, I configure the port number server.port. I configure the port number as 8081. This is for the Tomcat server and save this file. And then inside this com.example.demo package, you need to create another class by the name runner. Then click on finish. This class need to implement the application runner and look at here. I created one class by the name runner. For that class is implementing the interface application runner and that interface has a one method run. Inside this class I will create one variable. Look at here. Inside the runner class I created that will hold the object of the service class. For that to auto wire the values for this variable, I created the one constructor and I gave the annotation for that constructor to auto wire the values of the service class object. Now using this object, I am going to call the method present in the service class. Look at here. In the service class, I have one method PDF creation that I am going to call here. Once this method get called, the PDF file will get created. Now before that, I will write SOP. Now I will save this file. Look at here. Inside this project I have two packages. One is com.example.demo and another one is com.example.demo.service. Inside the service package I have created one class. Inside that class I wrote one method. Inside the method I created one variable. This variable holds the path of the file where we need to create the file and the name of the file. And then I created PDF writer object. For that PDF writer object I passed the file path. Then I created another object PDF document. For that PDF document object I passed the parameter writer. Then I am going to add one page for our PDF file. And then after that I created the document object. For that document object I am passing the PDF document reference. And then I am going to close the document. That's it. This much is enough to create the PDF file. And then after that I am going to this com.example.demo package. Inside this package I have two classes. One class is contain the main method and another class I created this class is to call the runner method. Runner class is going to implement the application runner. Inside this class I have created one variable to hold the service class object. For that class object I am auto wiring the values by writing the runner class constructor. After that, using that PDF file service reference, I am going to call the method present in the service class. For this service class, I need to give the @service annotation, and for the runner class, I need to give the @component annotation. And look at here, I gave the system.out.println. That will let to know that application started to run, and once after creating the file, I need to get to know that the file got created. That's why I am giving another print statement. I will give as PDF file got created. Once the file got created, I get this statement on the console. Now I will run this project. Look at here, we got the output. Application started to run. PDF file got created. Now I will go to the folder. Look at here, I created this folder. Inside that folder, I have the file that is got created now. Inside the PDF file, I have one page. Because I added only one page, that's why I got the one page inside this PDF file. Now I done with creating the simple PDF file in Spring Boot application. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.